Hello everyone, this is Samiran Methi, Senior Lecturer in Computer Engineering Department from Praveen Patil Polytechnic. I hope you have seen all the videos uploaded by me as far as ACN is concerned, but those videos covered only theoretical aspect. Today we'll see the first practical, which states capturing of ICP4 packets, that too with the help of Wireshark or any other tool, and they have also asked to use ping and tracer like commands. For that, you have to use command prompt and Wireshark network analyzer. In case if you don't have Wireshark network analyzer in your laptop or PC, please download it and then you could perform this experiment. So starting with ping command, for example, if I type ping www.google.com, and simultaneously if you could see the surge in Wireshark, Wi-Fi has the maximum surge, so probably that Wi-Fi has all the traffic that is going through my network. So I'll double click on Wi-Fi, and if I double click on Wi-Fi, you can see that all the information is being passed from Wireshark. So if I going for ping www.google.com, if I enter it, then you could see ping information is also being generated in Wireshark network analyzer. Like this is a ping request, ping reply. So if you know what is a ping make sure that whatever host or server we are trying to connect, it is connectable or not. So in this demonstration we have seen it is connectable. If I go for another ping any other server like ping facebook.com, then we could see in the Wireshark network analyzer ping data is being passed from this Wireshark network analyzer, and some amount of information is gained that the packet sent from our data was 4 and received by Facebook server is 4, and round trip time has been given as minimum 43 microseconds and maximum 96 microseconds, and the average becomes 74 microseconds. So in this way we could make sure that the given server is reachable or not, and that too many parameters can be captured with the help of Wireshark network analyzer. After ping we could see tracert command. Now tracert is nothing but it is used to trace route of our packet. If you remember routing principles, it checks or it notifies the most efficient path to reach from source to destination. So for example, if I need to check the route of reaching google.com, so I need to type tracert space google.com. On entering it, I am getting all the hop information, and similarly these black rows are giving me data of those hops or routers that is being used by my packet to reach google.com server. If you could see command prompt, second hop request timed out, in the sense its TTL, that is time to live, has become 0. So that packet has to be discarded and it has to be sent once again. So it has, till this time it has taken 6 hops and it is on its way to the server of google.com, and simultaneously you could see the Wireshark network analyzer. All the traffic that is being passed is being captured in Wireshark network analyzer till it is reaching the google.com server. Till that time we could check this is the time, this is the source address, this is the destination address, this is the protocol it is using, the length in bytes, as well as the information it is carrying. So all these things can be managed by Wireshark network analyzer. We could see the command prompt, we have successfully reached server of google.com and the number of hops it took was 11. So in this way we could capture all the required parameters as far as ping and tracert is command. In case of doubts, you could post a comment. I'll surely help you. Till then, take care. Bye.